All right, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I use my snow overlays. I believe there's about 16 in the package that I offer of all different types, so you can kind of play with those and have fun. I want to walk you through this image and kind of show you where I started and where I ended up. So give me one moment. Okay, so this is my basically straight out of the camera image, and I want to show you just what my workflow did to it. Pretty big difference, right? And I had to move that wreath over to the side or clone it to that side, and that was not fun, you guys. But it was driving me nuts. I don't know why they only had one wreath on their door. So this is after my workflow, which I will be releasing more tutorials on my workflow in the future. But for now, I just wanted to get these really fun tools to play with out there. So after I did my just basic workflow, I wanted to go in and play with some snow overlays. And this ended up being my final result. So I'm going to walk you through how I got there. Let me go ahead and delete these layers and start over. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open. So yeah, here's all the different overlays, and I tried to label them to make it a little bit easier to decide what kind of look you're going for. Like this one says motion snow overlay. I love using this when you have like an image outside in the snow and there's maybe a heavy branch full of snow, like a pine tree, and it's, when snow falls off the trees, they kind of land and then snow goes flying everywhere. If you're doing a snowball fight, so those are kind of fun, just like motion overlays. You can see I have some vertical. They're all different, what's the word? Styles. So let's start with this one. This one might be fun. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and click and drag that on there. Line it up, Control T. Awesome. And then I'm going to turn this, or I'm going to actually go to my actions. All right, so we're going to go to my apply overlay action and make sure that your snow overlay is clicked. We're going to go ahead and hit play. All right, so again, this action is just going to basically rotate your overlay to see which way you like it best. Obviously, these horizontal ones are not going to work, so we'll just go ahead and delete those, get those out of there. And sometimes you can use two if you want it to be a really snowy day. I think I'm just going to go with one for now, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the vertical layer mask here. Take my brush, and I want it off her face. So at 100% opacity with the black brush. Oh, make sure I got it clicked here. Oh, what is going on? Okay. And we're just going to dab on her face, and then I might go in at 50%. What is going on? I don't know why it's doing that. And I might just lighten it up a little bit. If there's too much snow. So there. You have it before and after. And obviously you can do this to taste. Another really good thing to try is just going up to the opacity on the snow overlay mask and or on the snow overlay layer, and then just playing with the opacity there. And so if you just want it really soft or if you want it very hard, you can decide what works best for your taste. But yeah, these are really fun. Let me show you again. Here's the snow spray, so just so you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like. It probably won't work very well in this image because there is not a branch or anything like that, but so there you can kind of see it's kind of got that spraying look to it, or almost like there was snow blowing off a roof over her head. Works much better, I feel like, on a branch or a snowball fight, but I just want to show you kind of the difference in the overlays. So yeah, have lots of fun.